Hey everybody, Justin here. Welcome back to another mukbang. And if you're new, thank you for joining me on this meal. I appreciate it so much. And today what we have is the ultimate baconator. As you can see from the beginning of the video, it looks amazing, right? I don't know, but the pictures look way better. But anyways, this is actually from Umami Burger, and they took forever. And I'm also disappointed in their fries, the amount of fries they gave me. What the hell is this? And their house-made ketchup, and they missed 2 more sauces that I ordered as well. But I'm pretty excited because for 1, I'm hungry. 2, y'all are here. And 3, I have my Coke, and I'm ready to go at it. Let's go. Boom. Ultimate baconator, and there's not much bacon in it. It's very salty. Here's a better look at it. But when you're hungry, you know you're unstoppable. But anyways, I wanted to tell you guys a story, a quick story of this, because I remembered it a while back. Maybe 2015, I was working in this restaurant, and they hired this new guy. This new guy's a little weird, you know? There's always that weird person at work. And his position was a busser. And if anyone, or a server's assistant, if anyone doesn't know what that is, it's the person cleaning up after all your messes after a restaurant. But anyways, he started out as a cool guy, you know, but he was a little weird, like I said. And at the time, I was still working with my roommate, which is a girl. And I have 2 girl roommates. I had 2 girl roommates. And, you know, he's very fond of female workers. And he acts differently around guys, you know, so he has, like, favoritism to women in the workplace. And I understand, but majority of those women that work with me and with him were creeped out by him because the things he says. And, you know, I'm always nice to everybody, so I gotta give people chances. This was the time when we just got this house, and we had a housewarming party, and you know, I invited a lot of people. A lot of people came, and it was so funny. I invited the weird guy. Let's call him. Let's call him John. Let's call the weird guy John. But anyways, John, this John guy, he, you know, I told him about it because I told everybody, and I know it's going to go around the damn workplace, right? Oh man, Justin is having a housewarming party, and my coworkers know, and I know, I have no doubt that he's going to hear about it, so I decided to invite him as well, just on the side. And then I told my roommates, hey, John's coming as well. And then they were like, what? What the hell? Why? Because like I said, the girls are creeped out by him. And this is already months in, like, him working there. And the disappointment of people, me telling them, hey, this guy's coming. And, like I said, I'm nice. And it was, so that's the housewarming party starts. People start coming. And I still haven't given this guy the address. You understand that? And anyways, this house was empty, so there was nothing in it yet because it's just a housewarming party, and just partying in here before we settle in. And this guy calls me. I didn't pick up because I was busy or I was wasted. No, I wasn't wasted, but I was pretty buzzed probably. Anyways, he left me a voice message. And I wish I still had my old phone. I still freaking have that voicemail saved, just so just as a memory and something to laugh at. I'm just kidding, but he started saying, Justin, I know this is like I wish I had it, but anyways. He was like, Justin, I know you told me about the party, about your housewarming party, and you didn't send me the address, and I don't understand why you didn't send me the address. So he gave me like a long explanation of this very creepy voicemail, and because he was, he felt left out, and this is like the type of guy who's like has problems in his head, I guess. Let me tell you, he was not good at his job. He only pretended to be good at his job. But anyways, so I heard that voice message, and I had to send him the address because I'm gonna feel safe around here because so many people. You know what I mean, and he came, and he got all emotional. I don't understand why he was all emotional. I remember this. He started going to the girls. I think he was using the emotional, like, I don't know. He was just. What I'm saying is, I think he was pretending to be emotional to get the attention from people and especially girls. So at this point, my roommates, the girls were already uncomfortable with him being there, and he started being emotional, so it made them even more uncomfortable. I didn't want the burger to come out. So he started begging for attention. And I can't kick this guy out, because I'm so nice. But in the end, I had to because he was being touchy. Now, one thing about me is, especially with my roommates, I'm very protective, one. And two, don't disrespect me, And that was a sign of disrespect, so I had to kick him out. And then it was so weird, it wasn't big of a story, but I had to kick him out. And he had to respect that. If not, I got people to help me kick him out. But he went out. I told him people were uncomfortable. And then, seeing him at work, he changed, man. It's crazy how a little bit of like, just a little bit of strictness given to him, or how he's treated, he changes his attitude right away. It's so unbelievable what type of person he was. But anyways, he had. I found out that he had so many complaints because I was really good friends with what is it? The director of operations there, and she was really nice, you know. And I asked her about this guy, and she told us that she's getting so many complaints from harassment from him, and I was like, damn. And all of them were women. He couldn't get fired. He only got written up. So he settled down a bit, and I think he was planning something. And it was so funny because the director of operations in this restaurant was a woman. One, she has a powerful position. Two, she is a strong woman, so don't mess with her. And in the end, this guy was this is when I knew that this guy was a little mentally ill. I don't know if it was an empty threat, but it was a threat, and you can't do that at work. So what he did, because all the emotions packed up into one, I think he was just saving it, and I think it wasn't even a bad day. I think he just spilled the beans on what the hell he was accumulating of emotions. John, threatened the restaurant, saying, I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to get my AK, and I'm going to shoot everybody. And that's a crazy threat. Some horrible threat. So, because of that, he got fired, and we were like, thank God. But there was still this fear lingering around of him being revengeful. And, you know, he's going to hurt us while we're working still, and he's fired, and that makes it more of a emotional breakdown for him. But to this day, John, haven't seen you. I don't want to see you. Crazy ass. No, he does need help. And I hope he's a better person. I definitely do think. I hope he definitely becomes a better person or realizes, like, what's wrong with you, man? Or get some help. Because that's crazy. I'm glad nobody got hurt. So, that's the best thing. Most important thing. Oh, the bacon. Yay. Finally. But, well, the story is, be nice to everyone, man. No, I'm kidding. You're gonna, it's crazy to come across people like that, because I do want to help them. Like I said, I like hearing people's stories and problems, and you know, I try to contribute as much as I can. To help them with their problems, because I like helping people out. And I love eating with y'all. Burger down. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Coke. Never get old. Anyways, this burger was okay. It wasn't the best. And very disappointed on the amount of fries they gave me. And if you heard the whole full story of John, I hope I never meet John, this John person again, because I never want to meet that person again. But anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much, always. And I hope you guys like this video. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And turn the notifications on to keep up with the next mukbang. And comment section is always open. I want to hear your suggestions and all that stuff. See you guys later. Take care.